Here, to represent this point, we required two measures. One is how much it is away from this edge, that is one measure, how much away from this edge, and how much away from this point, from this another edge. So how much away from this another edge. So if you represent these two measures, we can locate a point on a number line. So like this, suppose here it is 5 centimeters away from this edge. Like this, we are having so many points in this plane. But I want only this point where it is located. So then I required another measure from this side. Let it be 4 centimeters. So with this measure 5 and 4, we can locate only one point. Let it be P, 5, 4. So today we are going to learn how to represent a point on a plane. So René Descartes, mathematician, he introduced this topic and he divided the plane into 4 parts by drawing a line, horizontal line, which is called as axis, x-axis, and a vertical line which is perpendicular to this axis. This vertical line we will call it as y-axis. Both the axes will meet at a point. Both are perpendicular and both are meeting at a point. That point is called origin. This axis is nothing but a number line. So this is a number line. Already we are familiar with this number line. So number line we are having from 0. We will start right side it is positive and left side it is negative. Left side it is negative. So the right side is positive, the left side is negative. So if you take towards upwards, here it is positive and here it is downward, it is negative. Downward it is negative. So this plane is divided into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. So here Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So these quadrants are divided in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. So here if you take Q1, here x is positive, x-axis, this is x-axis, the x-axis is positive and here it is y-axis, the y-axis is also positive. So it is represented with plus plus. If you take the second quadrant Q2, here x is negative, x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. So here you will represent it minus plus. The third quadrant, here x is negative and y is also negative. X is negative, y is also negative. So here minus minus. If you take the fourth quadrant, here it is x is positive and y is negative. So here it is positive, negative. So like this, any point you can represent on this plane by using the measure. For example, if you take a point, minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3 lies in second quadrant. Minus 2 and 3. Minus 2, 3. Okay, if you take here minus 2, 3. So minus 2 is here and 3 is here. This is a point where we can represent minus 2, 3. Okay, if you take the point minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5. So here minus, both are negative, x is negative and y is negative, x is negative and y is also negative. Minus 3, here is minus 3 and here is minus 5, minus 5. So here this is the point. Okay, just I am keeping the dots here. So you can represent this on a graph sheet. So minus 3 minus 5. Now we can represent the point 2 comma minus 4. Where can you represent this point 2 comma minus 4? X is positive and y is negative here. Y is negative, x is positive and y is negative. So here this point you can represent here on a 2 comma minus 4. Here this is the point. So I am keeping the dot lines here 2 minus 4. 2 comma minus 4. So every point